How to set up a Wi-Fi network. If you're tired of dealing with tangled cords and want to access the internet from any room in your house, then it's time to set up your own Wi-Fi network. While there may be slight differences depending on the type of router or modem you use, these are the general steps for setting one up. First, you'll need a router. This is the unit that connects your devices to the internet wirelessly. Connect the router to your modem, what gives you access to the internet, using an Ethernet cable. Once the router is connected to the modem, connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network using the network name and password provided with the router. If you need to change your Wi-Fi network name or password, you can do that by accessing your router's settings. Simply enter the router's IP address into your web browser and enter the login information provided with it. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy fast and reliable internet without the hassle of messy cords.